Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Walks.
Today we're in the Black Forest in Germany and we're heading out to buy a cuckoo clock, one that we both like, so that should be fun. And then we're going to do an earth cache at a wonderful waterfall.
Yeah, come with us and see what you think. Triberg in the Black Forest is a mountainous region in southwest Germany, known for its dense evergreen forests, picturesque villages and cuckoo clocks.
We parked our car and passed this unusually worded sign. I'm not sure where women are meant to park. We're off to complete an earth cache at the Triberg Waterfalls just outside the town. The earth cache had a series of 4 waypoints with questions as you walked up past the waterfall. Questions like, what altitude does your GPS device show above sea level? Some information signs were in English, others in German. Cashly translated the cache page and its questions, and we used Google Translate to help with the signs in German.
We headed up the path to see these beautiful waterfalls. People were putting up peanuts for the spotted nutcracker. It eats all sorts of nuts, including hazelnuts. The spotted nutcracker has a special adaptation. The tip of the tongue forks with 2 long pointed appendages which have nail-like surfaces. This is thought to help them handle and shell conifer seeds. We put some out too. Surplus seed is stored for later use, and it's responsible for the sowing of new trees of their favoured pines.
We took a photograph with the waterfalls in the background as part of claiming the find.
There were red squirrels around. They eat mostly the seeds of trees, neatly stripping conifer cones to get at the seed within.
Then it was down to the last waypoint, near a children's playground, to identify a granite boulder, measure it, and work out its weight. We went into the town to get something to eat. Then it was on to look for a cuckoo clock as a souvenir of our visit to the Black Forest. We searched 7 shops, making multiple visits before deciding this one had what we were looking for.
We went in to make our final choice.
Although a lot of people think they come from Switzerland, they actually come from here in the Black Forest region in Germany. The cuckoo clock originated in the 17th century. However, the carved chalet style with slanted roof first became a popular souvenir in the 19th century. One local house had a fire bell on the roof, In the case of an emergency, help could be called using these bells.
Most cuckoo clocks from the Black Forest are hand-carved from the locally found linden tree, also known as lime trees. We looked at 8-day cuckoo clocks as they only need winding once a week, and we also wanted one with a night shut-off. We checked for a seal that verifies that the clock is a Black Forest original.
Cuckoo clocks are powered by gravity. A minimum of 2 weights are required. One powers the time and the other powers the cuckoo calling and any animation. 3 weights means it also has music. We decided to stick to just the cuckoo calling, so look for clocks with 2 weights.
We asked Klaus for information about the clocks. This is the clock we finally settled on. He gave us a demonstration. The carving of the baby birds didn't match the high-quality carvings on the rest of the clock. When the clock arrived here in New Zealand, we were delighted that Klaus had changed them for us. Great service from Clock Villa. Here it is on a wall in our entranceway.
Well, that brings us to the end of our cache walk. We hope you enjoyed both the cuckoo clock and the wonderful waterfall. That Earthcache was a really good one. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to go geocaching.